Remote control tanks all look the same, right? Same features, same flashy photos, but the real difference, it's buried deep in the details. You want to know which ones are actually worth your money and provide epic fun? Let's break it down. Product number 1, Cheerwing German Tiger Eye Tank. First up, we have the Cheerwing 172 German Tiger Eye Panzer Tank. Priced at just $31.77, this mini RC tank caught my eye with its impressive detailing. If you want a compact tank that brings battlefield action to your hands, this is worth a serious look. Plus, its real-life design and sound effects really bring the battlefield to your living room. And with over 100 units sold this past month, it's clearly got some popularity. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're a collector or just want to enjoy some playtime, this little tank packs a punch. Now, some people did mention it's a bit small for their liking. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a portable toy that can easily fit in your hand, that's actually a bonus. It's perfect for kids or even adults who want to reminisce about their childhood. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun gift for a younger audience or someone who appreciates detailed models. Skip this one if you want something larger or more complex, because this is definitely on the smaller side. Product number 2, Suptex 124 RC Tank. Next, we have the Suptex 124 RC Tank, priced at $63.58. It's a bit bigger and offers some impressive features. If you want a tank that provides a more immersive experience, this one's definitely worth checking out. What stands out here is the realistic smoke and sound it can produce. Just add a little water and watch it simulate smoke exhaust while making engine noises. That gives it an extra layer of authenticity that kids really love. Plus, with a 40-degree climbing slope capability, it can tackle tricky terrains without breaking a sweat. And with both a light and sound function, you're getting a tank that feels alive. This is great if you want to engage kids in tactical play, as they can really feel like they're in a battle setting. Some users pointed out that it requires a bit of assembly. But honestly, that's a minor inconvenience for the level of fun you get in return. It's a chance for kids to get involved in the setup process, making it even more of a bonding experience. This is perfect for kids aged 6-12 who have a flair for adventure and military toys. Skip this if you're looking for something that's fully ready to go right out of the box. Product number 3, Suptex All-Terrain RC Tank. Now, if the previous Suptex tank's assembly bothered you, the Suptex 124 All-Terrain RC Tank at $58.50 takes a different approach. It hits that sweet spot between performance and ease of use. If durability and playtime are what you're after, this one is a solid contender. This tank has some serious versatility. The 2 rechargeable batteries are a huge plus too, giving you extended playtime without the hassle of changing batteries constantly. Plus, the interactive shooting capability adds a fun twist, making it feel like a real combat scenario. Here's why this matters: the longer you can play, the more engaged kids will be in strategic thinking and imaginative play. However, some reviews noted that the tank can get stuck on certain terrain if obstacles are too high. Here's the thing, it's still a great option for indoor play or on more forgiving outdoor surfaces. Just be mindful of the play area you choose. This is perfect for kids who love imaginative play and want a tank that can handle various environments. Skip this if you're looking for something that excels in extreme off-road conditions. Product number 4, Suptex M4A3 Sherman Tank. Coming in strong, we have the Suptex 118 RC M4A3 Sherman Tank at $165.34. This one's for the serious enthusiasts. If you want a tank that combines historical accuracy with high-tech features, this is your pick. What really sets it apart is its ability to shoot BBS and create realistic smoke and sound effects. They genuinely surprised me. It's like you're commanding a piece of history in your backyard. This tank really allows you to immerse yourself in the action, making it a great gift for history buffs and hobbyists. Now, some people mention that the price is a bit steep, and I get that it's definitely an investment, but if you're passionate about tanks and want something that's built to last and deliver serious fun, this is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for older kids and adults who have a fascination with WWII history. Skip this one if you're on a budget or just looking for something simple and less intense. Product number 5, BRRRRT RC Battle Tank Set. Lastly, we have the BRRRRT 164 RC Battle Tank Set. Unfortunately, the price isn't listed, but it's been gaining popularity with over 100 units sold this month. If you're looking for multiplayer fun, this is a fantastic option. This set includes 2 battle tanks, which is great for kids who want to play together. The tanks even have life indicators that visually show when they're hit, which makes for an engaging game. This is incredible for teaching kids about strategy and teamwork, but here's the downside. It's designed for a younger audience, so older kids might find it a bit too simplistic. However, for younger kids or those just getting into the RC tank world, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for kids aged 8 and up who want to engage in friendly battles with friends. Skip this if you're looking for intense realism or advanced features, because this is more about fun and engagement. So there you have it. The Cheerwing Tiger I is a great compact option, while the Supdex 124 and all-terrain tanks offer a blend of features and fun. The Supdex M4A3 Sherman stands out for history buffs, and the BRRRRT set is perfect for multiplayer battles. Each of these tanks has something unique to offer, so pick the one that fits your needs best.